Imagine a time around 5000 BC. On a rocky hill in the heart of Athens, a civilization was taking shape. The Acropolis, as we know it today, began as a humble Bronze Age settlement. Over centuries, it gradually evolved, transforming from a simple dwelling into a fortified sanctuary, a beacon of religion and power. A testament to human ingenuity, it was a place where the divine and mortal worlds intertwined. This marked the beginning of a journey that would see the Acropolis become an icon of Western civilization. Fast forward to the 5th century BC, a period known as the Golden Age of Athens. This was a time of prosperity and intellectual advancement, and it was during this era that the Acropolis truly began to take shape. The Parthenon, one of the most famous structures in the world, was built in this period. Dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess, its intricate design and grandeur continue to captivate us to this day. The Propylaea, the monumental gateway that welcomed everyone to this sacred hill, was also constructed during this golden age. Let's not forget the Erechtheion, a temple honoring both Athena and Poseidon, showcasing the intricate architecture of the time. And of course, the Temple of Athena Nike, a symbol of victory, standing tall and proud at the entrance of the Acropolis. Over the centuries, the Acropolis evolved with the times. During the Byzantine era, it transformed into a hub of Christian worship. The Ottomans later occupied it, converting the Parthenon into a mosque. Through each change, the Acropolis remained a central part of Athenian life, reflecting the city's resilience and adaptability. Despite numerous invasions and natural disasters, the Acropolis stood the test of time, a testament to the resilience of the Athenian spirit. Its enduring presence reminds us of the rich history and the indomitable spirit of the people who built it, and the generations who have cherished and preserved it. Today, the Acropolis stands not just as a monument, but as a symbol of human achievement. Its grandeur, etched in stone, transcends millennia. Recognized for its universal value, this architectural marvel is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. In the heart of Athens, the Acropolis continues to be a hub of activity. Restoration efforts are underway, a delicate dance between preserving the past and preparing for the future. Each stone, each column, each statue meticulously restored, breathing new life into the ancient edifice. Beyond its physical presence, the Acropolis holds a special place in the study of art, architecture, and history. Its influence, seen in the pillars of modern buildings, the pages of scholarly texts, and the eyes of millions of visitors, is undeniable. The Acropolis, a beacon of ancient wisdom, continues to inspire and fascinate, a timeless testament to human ingenuity.